Okay guys, so we rented the car from First Car Rental. The process was super easy. It just took 5 minutes and we got the keys. The car looks brand new. We got a Reno Kiwi, I think it's called. Now the surprise is, if you know, you're driving the left side of the road, so the steering wheel is on the other side. Let's see how it's going to be. Are you ready for the trip?
Aye, Captain.
Whoa, let's go. Okay, so the driving is very confused, especially the turn indicators and the wiper washers. They're in the wrong sides, so I always turn on the wipers instead of indicators. Everything else is basically not that bad. Welcome to Cape Town. See the view? You see the ocean over there? It's a waterfront. You got the harbor and all the markets. We just arrived from the airport to Capitonia Hotel, our first accommodation here in Cape Town. And the flight was very good. We fly from Addis Ababa with Ethiopian Airlines, which was actually very good. You have a good leg room in the plane. You have good food. The flight was just on time, so we were very satisfied from the flight. And we arrived to the airport. We bought a SIM card for the phone for 600 rands, which is around, I think, $40. Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah, something around that. And you got 20 gigas for internet, which should be enough for our holiday. Maybe we'll buy another one. And yeah, that's it. Now we will go for a quick tour around to see the city. Good morning guys. Yesterday we arrived and there was a hot sunny day. Today looks like a little bit cold and foggy. So we just had breakfast and now we're heading to Lion's Head and Bo-Kaap area. After a short drive of around 10 minutes we got to the parking of Lion's Head. Just look at the view. This cliff there looks so cinematic to stand there and just shot with a drone, but unfortunately Karina doesn't allow me. Right, Karina?
It's too dangerous.
Yeah. You don't want me to die in the first day, right?
No, it's the last day, it's okay.
Okay, we'll wait a few days. Maybe,
and then you can die.
Yeah, maybe you will change your mind.
I will think about it.
This is a story we can write on our own. This is a love bigger than we've ever known.
Woo! We got to the summit of Lion's Head.
Woo!
Finally. That was hard, but we did it. Wow, and the view from here is stunning, but we can't see barely can see something because everything is covered with clouds. As you can see, everything is white, but still, that's worth it.
Just so you know, there was a lot of rock climbing here. It was really hard, so if anyone has knee problems, don't go up all the way to the top. You can stop at any moment and just go back.
So just before we returned from the Lion's Head, the rain just started. So now we are forced to do something indoors. So you can go to the aquarium that on the waterfront, or go to the markets. But we rather decide to go to some of the restaurants in the Long Street. We are now going to the Royal Eatery that's in the Long Street, that serves one of the best burgers in Cape Town can offer. And up on the second floor, there's a bar called the Waiting Room that serves draft beers. I love draft beer. So we find out that most restaurants and bars here in the Long Street are open after 7 o'clock. So we end up going to a bar and restaurant called Capello. And we actually didn't love the food there. It's a place more for drinks, not food. So I wouldn't recommend going there if you are hungry. We are now in Bo-Kaap. It's the oldest area of Cape Town. It was a home for slaves from Indonesia, from Malaysia and East Africa. And they were living in the white houses in the lease. And by the time they released to freedom, they painted their houses in colorful colors as a symbol of freedom. Good morning guys, today is our third day here in Cape Town. Today is a beautiful weather and sunny day, so it's a great opportunity to go to the cable car to the Table Mountain, and afternoon we decide to go to the Kirstenbosch Garden. We got to the Table Mountain. You park your car along the road, and there's a guy who is watching your car, so you can tip him how many you want. We gave him 20 rands. And behind me you can see the Lion's Head where we've been yesterday. That was cloudy and now it's clear sky. You can see the whole Cape Town behind me. It's a beautiful city. So we've been actually standing about an hour in a lane. There's all the lane from now. It's 11 o'clock. Up here. We're almost in the cable car. Table Mountain is a new 7th wonder of the world. Nature. I can see clearly why. Table Mountain called like this because the flat surface is 3 kilometers wide. As you can see behind me, this is all the summit, all the peak of the mountain. It's flat, like a table. So we finished here in the Table Mountain. We want to go down by hiking down. And we decided to go the way called Flat Cliff George. This looks tough one. It's going down, straight down. It takes about an hour and a half, maybe 2. This hike is very steep and you can hear water drops from the cliffs basically on any side. everywhere, and the track is a little bit slippery in some parts.
Yeah, so be careful.
But the view here is amazing, amazing. Take a look at that. Karina. We are already 2.5 hours descending from Table Mountain, and we are exhausted, especially from 2 days hiking in a row. It's not easy. Karina is begging for finishing the trek, and here we're almost there. I can hear the cars. Woo! We did it! I can't believe it. Half-hour drive from Table Mountain, and we got to Kirstenbosch Botanical Gardens. Just 2 hours before it's closing, so we gotta hurry and look more stuff around.
Walking